G'day everyone! Today I'll be walking you through a cartridge replacement on this Vivo Basin Mixer. Let's get started. First, we want to shut off both mini stops. Okay, let's go through what we'll need today. For this replacement, you'll only need a shifter and a small Allen key. Now we want to drain the tap, both hot sides and cold sides. Close the pop-up and place a towel over the basin just to prevent any loss of screws and to prevent scratching the basin. Okay, let's get started. Locate the cap covering the grub screw and remove it. On this tap, it's on the back, but yours may be on the front. With this silicone style cap, it can be a bit tricky to get out. What I've found works best is by poking the Allen key into the hole and trying to wrench it out. Insert your Allen key and rotate anti-clockwise until the handle is removable. The handle will just come straight off. Now most taps have a dome covering the cartridge, so we're going to have to remove that. It will just unscrew like normal. Then, get your shifter out and remove the final nut holding the cartridge in place by rotating anti-clockwise. Then the cartridge will just come straight out. Now unfortunately, one of the old rubber O-rings are still stuck in the cartridge slot, so we're going to have to remove that. It's very important to make sure that the cartridge slot is clear and clean as to prevent any leaks or issues later. Okay, let's get our replacement out. The cartridge has these two locating pins that'll slot back right into these two holes. Once the cartridge is seated properly, give it a press and you should feel the rubbers compress a little bit. Now we're going to reassemble the tap. Reattach the securing nut and finger tighten. Then, give it a quarter turn with your shifter. Any more and we run the risk of damaging the cartridge. Replace the dome and finger tighten. Replace the handle and retighten the grub screw. Replace the cap and congratulations, you're all done. Turn your water supplies back on and test the tap. Thanks for watching everyone.